Today you have to discuss the color code of carbon resistors. And you know the resistors which having the resistances, they are obtained in coil form and in carbon resistor form. In coil form, the size of the resistor is very big, but in carbon form, carbon resistors, you will be finding the resistors which are very small in size. That is being structured in form of a cylindrical shape. So what are the carbon resistors? Actually, the carbon resistors are made up of carbon with suitable binding materials molded in form of a cylinders, and the whole resistors is enclosed in a ceramic jacket. Actually, it is made up of carbon. It is in cylindrical form, made up of carbon, and that is molded in form of the cylinders, and the whole resistor is enclosed in the ceramic jacket, and the two terminals are being here. The metallic terminals are there. Metals are connected here, and one metal part is connected here on that side. That is acting as the two ends of the resistor. And what is the color? What is the role of the color code of the carbon resistor? Color code means actually different colors are being printed in band form on the carbon resistor, because the carbon resistor is very small in size. If you write the figure of the value of the resistances, that will be 5 or 6 digits like that. You can get a heavy, huge digits. That means I can tell the many number of digits will be coming on the carbon resistor. To avoid that difficulties, that color bands are being printed on the carbon resistor, and that how to identify that by seeing the color code, how we can identify the value of the resistances. So that we'll be finding only the four colors here, four bands. You can get it only the four bands, four different colors. So how to identify that color codes? To remember the different codes, we have to use some tricks here. That is, B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife wearing gold silver necklace. Again, once again, you just B.B. Roy ROY of Great Britain has very good wife wearing gold silver necklace. So first B part is taken here, B. This is the B. B meant for the black color, and the code of the black is 0. And another B, that is the brown, that code is 1. Another R, the color is red, the code is 2. And again another O, the color is orange, code is 3. And Y, the color is yellow, code is 4. And the capital letter I am taking, great, the color is green, and the code is 5. Britain, B, the color is blue, the code is 6. And another is the has very good wife, V matlab violet, the color code is 7. And good, gray, color is 8. And W, that is white, color is 9, code is 9. And wearing gold silver necklace. And if you find the gold color, silver color and necklace color, the gold indicates the plus or minus 5%, and silver indicates the plus or minus 10%, and necklace means non, that is plus or minus 20%. That is showing the tolerance of the resistor. That is the tolerance. It indicates the tolerance of the resistor. Suppose out of this, if 3 color you are finding, first, second, third color if you are finding, that means the fourth color is not there, that is the none, no color is there, that you must be thinking that the tolerance of the resistor is plus or minus 20%. Suppose for example you take it as the yellow and green, the first color, how to identify what is the figure of that one? Suppose first color is yellow, you take this first color is yellow, second color is green, and third color is blue, and fourth color is gold. So what happens? The first color indicates the first digit. What is the code of the yellow? Yellow code is the 4. The first color indicates the first digit, that is the 4. Second color indicates the second digit, green. Green is the 5. Second color indicates the second digit, that is the 5. And what does the third color indicate? Third color indicate into 10 to the power of that code, blue. Blue means 6. 10 to the power 6. The first color indicates the first digit, second color indicates the second digit, third color indicates the power of 10. The third color indicates the power of 10, that is 10 to the power 6, and the fourth color indicates the tolerance, that is equal to plus or minus, as it is gold, plus or minus 5%. So what is the resistance of this resistor? The resistance of this resistor equal to 45 into 10 to the power 6 plus or minus 5% ohm. That is the resistance. So resistance of this carbon core is 45 into 10 to the power 6 plus or minus 5%. If we reduce the 5% also, we can write in this manner: R equal to 45 into 10 to the power 6 plus or minus 5% of this value. 5% means 5 into 10 multiply 5 into 100, 5 by 100, 5 by 100 multiplied with 45 into 10 to the power 6. So this will be equal to, if you take it 45 into 10 to the power 6 taken out, the remaining is 1 plus or minus, it will be equal to 0.05 ohm. So that will be the total resistance of that color code resistance is 45 into 10 to the power 6 bracketed 1 plus or minus 0.05 resistance. This is all about your color code and how to remember the value of that resistor, carbon resistor, by following these principles. Thank you.